Alright guys, this is Janet with Strange RV Tours. My nickname's Janet Mechanic. We had a technician come out because our furnace wasn't working, and I have to clean out the AC vent system, the units, and it's going to be a big chore. Come and watch. Okay guys, first off, gotta take this baby down. I take this down quite often and clean out the filters here. They get nasty with cat hair, dog hair. I rinse them out all the time. And you can get this sheets of this and cut them to size from Camping World for cheap. So yeah, when we first got this thing, the one that was in here was falling apart. So I tried looking at everywhere, and Camping World had it. But the technician said we need to clean this baby out. And he said it was totally nasty. He says terrible. So I'm going to start off by doing a gentle vacuum. And then I'll run on top with a compressor and try to blow it down. It's going to be messy in here. Greg's doing this part for me. This is actually the part that we're having to replace because it controls the furnace and the AC. He's going to take this down so that we can vacuum it easier. Oh yeah, that's nasty. Ew. Gross, man. Yeah.
See, get a better look at it over here.
Yeah, look at that. There's cobwebs up there. Oh my. Even though I keep cleaning the little filter, it really didn't take care of everything, apparently.
Yeah, that thing's pretty dirty.
All right. Let's see what happens. This is going to be noisy. Greg's going to be... Let's see. And this is... Wow. I think... That's pretty good suction there. That's better. I don't want to bend those fins, so I'm trying not to touch them. Alright, those fins are nasty. I'm going to try to be gentle. See, it's making a mess already. But that's working. Oh my. I'm going to have a major cleanup. Let me see how that's working. Yes, that's working well. This is a old plastic. I'm using plastic. And it's not, it's kind of worn out. It's kind of soft. So.
Old brush?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't want to use a good brush on this. You'll ruin it.
Yeah. Oh, that's not, but yeah, this is really, really nasty. Oh my. Yeah, I better keep my mouth shut too, huh? But it's working. It's working well. Yeah, here it comes down on me. It's alright. I am going to go up on top and blow out the outside big unit on top. Take off the housing. But this is a start. It's nasty. Ooh. It's coming off. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, see? Yeah.
When you put that compressor hose on it, it's gonna fly.
Yeah. Coming down. And it's really thick there.
Yikes.
Yeah. And then it's really embedded. Yeah, I got big old chunks like that. All right, guys, I'm on the roof. I'm getting ready to take this baby off. I need to take the housing off, and I got most of the screws off, but you see they're just regular Phillips heads right here, and I took all these off. Now with this little solar panel, I'm gonna have to be careful so I don't pull the wiring. And I took that one off earlier, but I'm gonna turn on the compressor and blow out all the dirt on the top sections. So let me go ahead and get this carefully set up. Here we go. And it's starting to get a little chilly. Oh, here we go. Alright, guys. Okay, so along with getting all the screws off the side, I also have to unscrew the top of the solar panel. So I have to cut through all this putty to dismount all this. That way I can get the lid off. And that way I can blow it out. So, yeah. That's cool. That's kind of dirty. I'll clean that off when we get all finished up. Clean it off real good. But as you can see, there's a lot of dirt, and I'll clean out those, blow out those coils. And this one's kind of damaged. I might try to straighten out these fins, because I guess the lid got in bowed and maybe damaged that a little bit. I'll try to straighten out those fins, but blow out as much dirt as I can from the top. Yeah. So what I'm doing, I'm cutting out all that caulking sealer and unscrewing this solar panel because it's mounted on the top of the unit and the lid won't come off. Alright, so just kind of get it, and I'll clean it up real good and reapply sealant after I put it all back together. But, there we go. Alright. I resorted to a regular flathead screwdriver because this is looks like a little stripped. There we go. Yeah, my hands aren't the best, but I do what I can. There we go. Get this washer up. Don't want to lose any pieces. There we go. Let's see about the other side. Let's see if I can get it. Yeah. All right. Yeah, get these going. Take these two off and see how it goes. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, goopy. I sealed them up good. Alright. There's the brackets. I'm hoping I don't have to take the whole solar panel off. That will just lift off the unit. I'll be real careful. Alright guys, I got all the screws out. Let's see if this baby will lift off and see if I don't damage anything. I'm hoping. Oh yeah, easy peasy. Just keep that wire from going too far. Oh yeah, it's dirty. Look at all this. Oh my. Yeah. I think. Yeah, it's got enough adhesive on that. I think I'll pull it to the side here. There we go. And lay it down this way. And thank goodness there's no wind. There we go. That way I can go ahead and blow out everything up here. Awesome. Awesome. Way to go. But what a mess. There's cobwebs and everything. Oh, my big foot. Yeah, there's cobwebs. Huh. Yeah. Okay. You see. Alright. Yeah. That's not good. Cobwebs down in here. All the way down. See how these fins look on this side. Yeah, these look good. Really good. Alright. I'm gonna get the compressor going. Blow out what I can up here. Alright. Let's see. Let's see. I don't want to step on the skylight. I'm vent. Alright. Let's see how this goes. See how much dirt comes out. It's going to be loud. Be careful with that, you can get shocked. They still hold a charge sometimes, but it hasn't been on for at least a week, so I'm not really concerned. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and blow out as much as I can. I wiped it down as best I could. I'll wipe it up some more. And I'll go ahead and blow out some more crap up here. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the compressor and blow out the inside. It's going to be a total nightmare mess, but it's got to be done. And rather than pay a technician to do the same thing, you can do it yourself. Do it. Save some money. But then, of course, I'll put this back on. Put the screws back in. Mount it all the way around. Screw it back down. And put some more. Clean that up and put some more adhesive. And the other one, I'll blow that one out. Same deal. Wipe it down a little more. And I'll clean the solar panel, that, you know, little charger, and go from there. Alright, I got these screwed back down, and I'm going to caulk them. Just do that real quick. So, see how that works. Anyway, this has been a challenge. Alright, Greg got it started for me. So, there. Push it. Wow, it's drying up. It's not pretty. Ooh, yeah. Ew, it's like cheese, man. Oh. I kind of looked around the edges. Everything else looks pretty good. Nothing's cracking. I mean, this stuff I put on last time is still gooey underneath, you know. So it was holding on the brackets for me. That lined everything up perfectly. It was pretty easy. The other one I got blown out pretty good, and now I gotta make sure. See, these line up pretty good. Look at all the caulk on me. Now just tighten them down. Put the other one on. Do the same thing. You know, they're just regular Phillips screws. No big deal. Alrighty, I'll finish up, clean up, and go inside and blow out from the inside. Alright guys, this is going to be the inside mess. Got the air compressor loaded. It's going to be noisy. And I went ahead and got prepared for this. Greg's gonna put this back up quick. It just takes one screw.
There we go.
There you go. Easy peasy.
My contribution to this little project.
Yeah. There you go. Way to go. Yeah. Much better.
There we go.
Shoot. Then I'm gonna clean out the little filter. I'll show you. Quick rinse is pretty much what I do. And it's usually got hair in it. You know, take it out, shake it out, or whatever. But I just rinse it out and pull the fibers off. I use a little bit of dish soap. Don't take much, but that's antibacterial. Or you can use like a, you know, regular spray cleaner. I just make sure and rinse it out real good afterwards. But and then air dry it. Yeah, it gets pretty dirty. Now wash this off. I had that little brush. Yeah, that's what I was cleaning the other stuff with. No big deal. Take a sponge to it. Yeah, this is starting to get pretty brittle. Being 22 years old, I guess so, huh? Yeah, I'll air dry that. It's usually out in the sun a little bit. Yeah, that was fun. Yeah, I clean these quite often. And don't do too much wringing on these either, because they're just like a foam. Oh, nice warm water. Not hot water. No big deal. Lightly squeeze it. No big deal. All right. And like I said, you can get sheets of this. They come in, you can get two. You get 2 sheets, and you get 2 of these size filters out of 1 sheet. So you just cut to fit. Easy. All right.
Nice and clean.
Yeah. So Greg's gonna just snap it back up there. You know. And
That's it.
that's it. We have a little bit on the edges to catch it so it doesn't suck up in. I heard that there were some rubber bands that you can put on them to hold them more secure. I don't worry about it. It's been working fine. And if you do this like every 6 months, it'll help your air conditioner with efficiency. Those coils were nasty. I didn't know to do that. Now I do. So, all right, you guys. Now, one thing I kind of said up there, you might not have heard me because it's so noisy. The round capacitor up there could still be holding a charge. You can get shocked by that, so be careful. I know we've had ours off for over a week, and I wasn't that concerned about it. But yeah, be careful. That round capacitor can hold a charge, and it can shock you, and it can short out a bunch of stuff. So take that in consideration when you're working on the upstairs unit, you know, on the roof unit, okay? Anyway, doing the same thing to the back, and I want to thank our neighbor Chuck and Sharon for letting us use their little compressor. It's lightweight. It's perfect for this, you know, the RV. It's not heavy. We have a big one in storage, you know, and thank goodness we didn't have to go all the way out there to get it. Thanks, Chuck. Appreciate it. You guys, if you can do stuff yourself, try it. I mean, if it's broke, what's the difference? I mean, if it's already broke, what worse can it get anyway? Oh, anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you could. Hit the little bell for notifications. And share with your family and friends. And check out the Patreon. We got some special stuff on that. If you want to join up with that, that'd be great. All right, guys, take it easy. Thanks for watching.